Hey YouTube, Adam here with Primo Reviews, and today we're going to check out a killer product that I got off Amazon for just 40 bucks. I recently just bought the Canon M50 mirrorless camera, and as most of you probably know, there's not a whole lot of lenses in the mirrorless lineup for Canon anyways. So there's a lot of the EF and EF-S lenses that you can use on your mirrorless, on your M50, but the only issue is you got to have that adapter, and Canon wants a pretty penny for their name brand adapter that they sell. And what I found on Amazon was the Commlite lens adapter, and it's for the EF and EF-S lenses that you can put on your EOS M series Canon cameras. So it's a lot cheaper than what Canon wants for their name brand adapter, and it'll allow you to use any of the DSLR lenses and save you a lot of cash. So let's check it out and see what it looks like.
Alright guys, so here it is, the Commlite EF and EF-S to EOS M series Canon camera adapter. So again, it's going to allow you guys to use all of those Canon lenses that are already out there and allow you to attach them to your EOS M series camera. For me, it's going to be the M50. That's my primary camera that I use, and the 50mm f1.8 STM lens is what I'm looking to get first to use with this. There's our little warranty card that they send with it. There's a little instruction pamphlet, show you your alignment markings, how to attach it to your camera. And there's our adapter. It's secured in there very well. It's got a little film wrapping around it, and then it's wedged down in that styrofoam very nicely. It's not going to bounce around, move around, or anything, get damaged in transport. It doesn't look like to me. So it was packaged very well. And then to hold this thing, it feels kind of heavy. I believe it comes in at around 7.5 ounces, maybe 8 ounces, and it feels durable. It's made out of aluminum alloy, so it should hold up. It should withstand any abuse you throw at it. And of course, it's got the 1/4-20 mounting hole on the bottom, tripod mount, and the covers for both sides, of course. And one thing that I do like about this is the mount for the adapter is metal. I mean, it just adds to the durability. And then there's your alignment markings, and both sides of the adapter mount is metal, so that's a plus right there. And then also you have your gold-plated contacts, as you can see there. That's going to allow you to, it's going to send that excellent signal transmission back to the camera to allow for that autofocus and that aperture control, and allows it to use that flawlessly, so there is no delay, should be no delay, and no issues with the aperture control and the autofocus. And this thing seems pretty legit, and mind you that it comes in at $160 less than Canon. Like, it blew my mind, really, honestly. I mean, I know a lot of times your off-brand products are going to be a good bit cheaper. You're going to be getting a discounted price, but to be $160 cheaper, I mean, that's just outrageous. And everything that I've heard about this brand and this adapter, and not only this adapter, but for other brand cameras, the adapters they make for those, nothing but good reviews about them. I've actually heard that it has outdone the Metabones adapter for some cameras. So I'm excited about it, man. Pumped up. Be able to get that 50mm f1.8 lens, throw it on there, and see what we can do with it. Alright guys, so remember, if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button, see what we got coming out next. Thanks.